इस वीडियो में we are going to be showing you some success stories and testimonials from the learners and parents of Cuber Success Academy. अब आप सोच रहे होगे that what is Cuber Success Academy? Well, let me tell you. Cuber Success Academy is an initiative to empower 100,000 kids of 7+ year old with enhanced brain and memory power, focus, self-confidence and communication through various Rubik's Cube mastery training programs and to help parents raise their kids to rise with success mindset, habits and skills education. इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखना to not just get the best value out of it but to also learn more about our 90 days Kids Memory Booster Bootcamp for 7+ kids and their parents. Happy watching!
Kavya's Rubik Cube has a name of its own, I've enrolled my child Kunshkara in her course. Not only got the certificate, but he has increased his memory power, concentration power, imagination power. And this Rubik Cube, solving the cube, increase the finer muscle development of the child. This is the only thing which you can carry easily in your bag still while you're traveling. As instead of giving a mobile to your child, give a cube to your child. As you know that the cube is bringing so many positive in your child's life. Kavya's Rubik Cube was an amazing experience for my child. In fact, I have twins. One of my child is able to do the things so nicely. Wow. The other one has little, things with her milestones. But she also got so much interested that she's also trying to solve it. So that's the beautiful thing. To increase the memory power, concentration power and imagination power, and the best thing to avoid screen time.
Before moving forward in the video, I want to tell you more about our 90 days Kids Memory Booster Bootcamp that we organize every 4 times a year. This bootcamp is a 3-month unique and comprehensive habits transformation program for 7+ kids and their parents. इस bootcamp में जो आपको value, inclusions और bonuses मिल रही हैं, they are worth more than ₹35,000. And guess what? इस 3 months of coaching and mentorship program के बाद आपका बच्चा 4 Rubik's Cube solve कर पाएगा. They will get 1 t-shirt merchandise. They'll be able to call himself or herself as a cube head warrior. उनको 24 live group coaching and mentoring sessions मिलेंगे. Pre-recorded online courses मिलेंगे. They will be able to become a better communicator, get a certificate of completion and achievement, become a more self-confident, fast, motivated and focused learner, be able to participate in several competitions and win many awards as well. And they are also going to be getting special guest coaching sessions with high performers, cubing experts and subject matter experts. And there is so much more you're going to be getting in this bootcamp. So wait, किसकी कर रहे हो? Go ahead and check the description so that you get to know how you can apply for this 90 days bootcamp. Happy watching!
I can solve the whole cube.
Thanks to Kavya's parents, who did so many efforts. First of thing, in this scenario, we don't have a single minute for anyone, but Kavya has spared a very big time for all of us. A big thanks to you. And I have seen all the classes. I have attended, in fact, all the classes. She never gets irritated. Any child can ask question anytime. In fact, we get irritated. What is this align now? But she never feels irritated. And she is really a great mentor for her. And a big thank you to you. Even I can solve the cube. From the last 2 years, I bought for her Alina, but now today she can solve the cube, and I am really very happy.
Hello everyone.
jumbled cube, and today I'm going to solve this cube, and this is made only possible from getting teachings from my teacher Kavya Mohinji. So let's get started. The whole cube is solved! And thank you Kavya Didi to make me up till this level that I can solve the whole cube now.
My name is and today in this video we are going to solve these two remaining corners. If I do a U, then my whole cube will be solved. Yes, my whole cube is solved. Thank you Kavya Didi for teaching this whole Rubik's Cube, how to solve it and how to solve its corners. Thank you so much Kavya Didi that I can thank you. Thank you so much.
Thing is like uploading videos in the community is a great idea, sir. It's very helpful actually for the kids who is not ready to open up, who doesn't speak much. So for them and all, it is really very helpful. Actually, he is smarter in everything. Today also we had PTM. He has scored 95%. So from teacher also I got a good feedback. So, but only thing is his communication is a little bit, he has to improve a lot. So he has to work on that. So when I asked him to post videos, we need to post the videos in FB. And he is interested, but communication he has to improve a lot. But he is interested. He is whatever we advise him, he is ready to take it up. So he is going with that. So I'm waiting for him to improve a lot with his communication skills also.
I want you to solve the full cube from the start to this step right now. Can you do that?
Yes, I can do it.
Wonderful. All right. Awesome. And that's great, Satvik. Congratulations.
Thank you.